for this problem naman, what is the moment of the force daw about the x-axis and the moment of the force about the y-axis if the force is 585 newtons. Now, first natin gagawin is we have to resolve the components of this force. Again, in taking moments about an axis, we are only considering the bending moments. Walang twisting moment tayong i-consider. So, ito na lang, general rule natin. In taking moments, we have to exclude the following. First, exclude forces parallel to the axis of interest. Now, again, itong axis of interest, ito yung axis wherein you will take moments. Yan. And then also, exclude forces whose line of action passes through the axis. Sorry, sinulat ko kasi. Pwede namang i-type. Yan, so move ko na lang. Now, let's analyze the figure. So, first, di ba, dyan mag-end yung force natin, yung line of action niya. So, we can define this force by this distance along Z. Yan. Ito yung distance along Z. And then, after drawing this, let's check, ang tawag dito. Let's make a line na lang parallel to the x-axis. Yan. So, we can draw this. Yan. Again, this is parallel to the x-axis. And then from this point, we can draw a line going back to the force. Yan. So, itong distances pala, this one, and this one, yan yung components natin. Yan yung magde-define sa components natin. So, this is acting parang northeast. Yan. And then, parang ganito yung components niya. This is FZ. And then, ito naman, parang nag-act sa right yung Fy natin, or the force along Y. So, this is Fy. And then, yung Fx naman is acting patungo dyan. So, parang ganyan. This is the force along X. Now, check muna natin yung distances. Diba, this is 400. Yung buong distance niyan. But we have to subtract this distance, which is equal to 200 mm. So, if this is wait lang. If this is 200 pala, then the remaining distance from A patungo dito, this is also 200. Kasi 400 minus 200, 200 lang din. Yan. And then, this distance naman, along X, is 250. So, 250. And then, the distance from this point patungo dyan is 250 mm. Yan yung distance along Z. Yan. So, we have X. Along X, meron tayong 250. Along Y, we have 200. Again, this is along Y. parallel to this axis. And then along Z naman, we have 250. Yan. So, the length pala is square root of x squared plus y squared plus z squared. Yan. So, check natin. We have 50 square root of 66. Yan. So for the first question, what is the moment of the force about the x-axis? So magmo-moment tayo dito along this line. Yan. So again, considering our general wait lang. Ay. Yan na lang. So again, we have to exclude forces parallel to the axis of interest. So if we are to take moments about the x-axis pala, then we have to exclude fx kasi fx is parallel to the x-axis. Now, although it has a moment arm of 200 mm going to x, it causes twisting. So, di yan kasala. And then, exclude forces then whose line of action would pass lang yan. Line of action pala yung dinedefine. Wait lang. Yan na lang. So, itong Fy din, yung line of action niya tatama sa x-axis. So, hindi din yan kasala. So, yung magkakause lang ng movement about the x-axis is itong Fz pala. Again ha, yung Fy, line of action niya, tatama sa x-axis if you will extend it. So, lagay na lang natin dito yung moment pala about the x-axis is parang 585 newtons. Yan. Multiply natin by diba, yung z yung magkukos ng moment. So, yung z distance natin is 250. So, 250 divided by the length, which is 50 square root of 66. Yan. And then, ito pa yung component ng force which will cause a moment. Multiply natin to by the moment arm. So, the moment arm of Fz going to the x-axis is 200 mm. Now, 200 mm, if we'll convert that into meters, magiging 0.2. So, 0.2 meters. Yan. Now, I am converting this into meters kasi in Newton meter kasi yung tanong dito. So, 585 times 250 over 50 square root of 66. Multiply natin by 0.2. So, we have 72. And this is Newton meter. Yan. So, letter C pala. And then, the moment of the force about the y-axis naman, instead of this axis, dito na tayo magmo-moment. Yan. Now, if dito tayo magmo-moment, yung Fy, it will be excluded kasi it is parallel to the y-axis. Yung Fx din, medyo hindi na clear. yan, Fx yan, yung line of action ng Fx tatama sa y-axis. So, hindi rin yan kasala. So, yung magkakause lang din ng moment is only Fz. So, we can just copy this. Yan. This is, ano ka sa Fz. But, papalitan na lang natin yung subscript. This is now My. The moment about y is caused by the z component of the force, but its moment arm will change. Kasi if this is the force, then the perpendicular distance going to the y-axis is ito na, 250. Yang distance na yan, 250. So, 250 mm is 0.25 meters. Yan. So, multiply natin to by 0.25. This is 90.01. And then this is Newton meter. Yan. So, letter B pala yung sagot natin.